Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to change row height and column width in Excel. So if you want to change any particular cell row height or column width, so select it in this home tab, click on format, and here underneath cell size you see the option row height and column width. Click on it and make your desired size. Then click on OK. You want to change entire row height and column width. So select this corner. So entire cells are selected. Now again click on this format, row height. Enter your desired size and column width. Then click on OK. So this way you can change row height and column width in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.